never any doubts in my mind because I'm the best in the world. Even though a lot of you don't like to hear it, it's fact. I'm the best. You know what I mean? Sometimes I don't want to believe it myself, but it's the truth. I'm the best. And I'm just convinced, you know what I mean? These fellas, how dare them challenge me with their somewhat primitive skills? They're just as good as dead.
Slam, Big Mac 11, back of the 7 on some boss. I put that president on my wrist and I got frosty. Stack it like Pringles, you want a single, it's gon' cost you. Slow on the hair and I don't sell them, they just do off. Man, my jewelry like some laser beams. Step out with your lady, shoot some Ebony's on a Maybelline. Overdoses total, cut the cocoa with the ketamine. Dope and ibuprofen in my bowl, I got them recipes. Boss, shooter like stuff, I just hit for 3 and I wasn't even looking. Your favorite rapper just hit the stage, looks if you about to book it. If is in love, but just keep the piece of I just keep it pushing. My baby mamas knew the job was crooked before they took it. Can't train records, just be running shit. Just touched down in the airport, Louis V backpack full of them hundreds. Bitch, clean in that between. I'm a gangster, not no lover, bitch. Grammy after party, if you rock it like we won a bitch. Boss, Big Mac 11, back of the 7 on some boss. I put that president on my wrist and I got frosty. Stack it like Pringles, you want a single, it's gon' cost you. CEO Rabbit, Young Freddy Kane, I'm on some boss. Big Mac 11, back of the 7 on some boss.